Morimoto Lighting has finally done it. If you have a 1999 to a 2016 Ford Super Duty and you want to upgrade your taillights to something like this, a complete LED replacement housing, this video is for you. I'm going to show you what the XB LED looks like on your truck. I'm going to show you a couple of the features and more importantly, how much better they are compared to stock. So right off the bat, if you want to order one of these taillights, they come with either a smoked lens like you see here or a red lens, both of which are a real good upgrade to your original taillights. Your original brake light uses an incandescent bulb, and it's a very slow on brake light, and it's not bright at all. It does not get the attention and will not keep you safe like the Morimoto XB LED taillights will. Your original turn signal is the exact same as the brake light, and it is a slow on, slow off incandescent bulb. It's the last thing you want. The Morimoto XB turn signal, it's got this standard blink function, and when you hit those turn signals, they power on just like this. Let's focus on the reverse lights for a second, because your original taillights use this real small bulb. It's got this yellowish tint to it, and it's not bright at all. That's the last thing you want if you got a big lifted truck like this. The Morimoto XB has a complete LED reverse light. It is very bright, it's a bright white color, and it's way brighter than your original reverse lights. Morimoto has a special surprise, and that's on the back side of this tail light. There's a little pigtail that you can connect the Morimoto backup light boost bar, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. This is going to maximize your reverse light output. It's not only going to keep you safer, but if you're backing up to a boat or a trailer, it's going to be a much more functional light output as well. Obviously, when they are off, they look way better than stock. It looks like it was meant to be there. It brings it from 1999 or even 2014 to 2023. Let me show you how to install this. It's real easy. Obviously, you got to lower the tailgate. You got two 8mm bolts. You got one on the top and one on the bottom. Let's start on the driver's side. Remove those two bolts, pull your taillight out, and unplug it. Before I install the Morimoto XB driver's side taillight, I wanted to show you Morimoto has came a long ways. Remember, this truck range is from 1999 to 2016, so the connectors on the back changed halfway through that year range. Morimoto includes all the adapters that you need to connect from your original OEM reverse light wiring. This goes in line from there to the backside of the Morimoto XB taillight. So it's real plug and play from here. You might need to unplug the resistor that's on the backside of this taillight and put it over this crossbeam here. Plug it back in. All you gotta do is now plug in your parking lights and we'll make our way to the passenger side. Removing the passenger side taillight's the exact same. Take out the two 8mm bolts, pull it out, disconnect both connectors, and then grab your Morimoto XB taillight. Now before I put this XB taillight on the passenger side, I wanna show you the back side of it because it's a little bit different. You'll notice this one extra pigtail here with a dummy plug. If you guys wanted the brightest reverse lights possible, I definitely recommend upgrading to that backup light boost bar that Morimoto also sells. To install the backup light boost bar, first remove the two screws holding on your license plate. Open up that boost bar packaging. Now we're gonna mock up that boost bar and mark where the wiring on the backside comes through. We have to drill a little hole to pass this wiring through so it's a nice, clean, sleek look. Lower the boost bar, drill your hole, feed the wiring through that hole on the back side. It's real simple. They even have a grommet to avoid chafing. Push that grommet in and then grab your license plate and the boost bar, put the two screws back in, and that's all it takes. Now go under the vehicle, route the wiring up to the passenger side taillight. Once you run that wiring up to the taillight area, be sure to zip tie up all the excess. Plug it into your taillight, and now the other two connectors are the exact same as the other side. Plug those two in, slap that taillight back into your truck, put your two 8mm bolts in, and you're done. That's all it takes to install these taillights. Before you go, you need to focus on your original third brake lights on your Super Duty. Those two could use the upgrade. Morimoto makes the X3B, which is an extremely bright third brake light LED replacement housing. Morimoto also makes headlights for your vehicle, the Morimoto XB LED headlights. They are extremely bright. They use LED projectors that blow away all the competition out there. So if you guys want to upgrade the lighting on your Super Duty, we've got you guys covered. We've tested it all at Headlight Revolution. Type in your year, make, and model, and you'll see all the other upgrades you can do to your Super Duty.